There we are, guys. Beef, green pepper, black bean sauce made. Let's give it a try. Oh, come on. A bit of chili. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. One of my favorites today, guys. This is one of my favorites. I order from the Chinese all the time, but it's so simple and quick to make. Stir-fried beef, green peppers and black bean sauce. Let's do it. Come on. Okay, this is a really simple recipe to make, guys. Okay, our veggies: green pepper, a little bit of chili for show, bit of garlic, bit of onion and black beans. Now, if you wanted to know how to make homemade black bean sauce, Chinese style, there's a link up there and it'll be in the description. Okay, let's prep our veg. So what we'll do, we'll give our garlic a bit of a smashing. So just smash it down. Now, you're in complete control of how much garlic you want. You know, I like garlic in this dish. Now, I probably put just a little bit more in than some other people, you know. But this is for me. So if you want less garlic, you're gonna have to put less garlic. Okay. So that's it. We're not even gonna mince it. It's a bit of a fine chop over the top there, and that will do. To one side. Onions, guys. Now we want some diced onion. Okay. So you can either do it like that and pull it all apart, like that, and then cube it. Oh, we get the horrible ends here, look. Oh, we just do that and then just pull it apart. We just want those segments of onion in our dish. Just looks better, you know, square bits of onion. So all this can go in one bowl. Onions and green peppers into one bowl because they're going to be cooked together. Now you want about half a green pepper. That'll do. Again, we want some cubes, guys. Now you don't, it's not super critical, just cube it up, that'll do. So in our tub, the red chilies for show. So all we need to do is come across it like that. We want some diagonal pieces of red chili. Now it doesn't matter about the seeds. You can really take them out if you want. I'm not too fussed. Okay, so all we're going to do is just chuck that in there. So that's our veg and our meat that we've already prepped, and we're ready to go. Right guys, in with a little bit of oil, in with our garlic, in with our onions and green peppers. In with a splash of water. In with about half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. In with about half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Give that a little chum around in there. Fantastic. In with some beef. And then in with about a tablespoon of our black bean paste. Little stir around. Fantastic. Little shake of white pepper. In with a little bit of cornstarch slurry. thicken it up. Here with some red chilies for colour. And that is our beef black bean made. Off, serve. There we are, guys, beef, green pepper, black bean sauce made. Let's give it a try. Oh, come on. A bit of chili. Oh, my beef. Where you going, beefy? Oh, come on. Unbelievably crunchy vegetables, guys, and really tender beef. That is amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.